Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this Father's Day gift box. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, I went ahead and I already cut out my D's, and as y'all can see, there's two pieces, and I'm going to give you guys the measurements for each side of the D, both on the outer layer and on the inside layers, and I will also place those measurements onto the screen for you guys to see. Right here I'm measuring the inside portion of the D. If you don't want the inside portion, you can always make the D without it. I think it's more easier to handle without the inside part. And these are some papers that I will be adding around the D. These are 5.5 inches with 1 inch on the side. That's you guys will score. Whenever you're making your sizes, always leave out 1 inch on both sides so that you can get to score those. So right here I'm just showing you guys where you should score on the papers. And right now I'm just going to add some glue onto this piece of paper. Oh, I forgot to cut off the sides. Remember to cut off the sides so that it can hold properly onto the D, because you don't want any of the side pushing out. So that's the reason for cutting off just a little piece off from those edges. Now this is the next piece of paper. It is the same size, just a little bit longer. So you cut the pieces of paper according to the measurements of the sides so that you can get it equal. So this is the other piece of paper that I will be adding. Ensure that you cut off the flaps into equal parts, and so that it can be able to bend. As you all can see, it is flexible. So right now I'm adding my glue onto the paper, onto the edges. Those are the flaps, if you don't mind. Also, you will cut a little piece of those flap edges as well, because you want it to be able to turn. If you don't cut off the edges, it's gonna be too straight, so you're not gonna be able to turn on the corners of the D. So this flap right here, I will be cutting it as well so that I can add on the rest of the paper firmly. And I also cut a piece of this right here because it was too long, because I need to leave out a section for the open part so that I can add my candies to it, as I said before. So right now I'm just gluing this on to the top portion of the D. And the small piece of paper that left, I could put it on that area. And right now I'm adding the middle portion, as I said before, just the same size, and 1 inch for the flaps, the same sizes that I gave you guys at the beginning of the video. Those are the same sizes for the small pieces of paper that I added around the inside portion of the D. So you need a little bit of force to glue it down, or you can use your finger, or you can use a ruler or the back of a scissors. And now I'm just cutting those edges so that I can be able to fold them over to add the top part of the D onto the box. So it is simple and easy. All you have to do is cut out the papers correctly and you have it just right. I added the next D that I showed you guys earlier in the video, and I will be doing this off camera and also adding my designer paper off camera as well. So guys, this is the result of what the box looked like after adding the designer paper. I went a little bit too hard with it. I ended up letting the whole of the box too lean, but anyways, it will be fixed hopefully by the end of the video. So these are the papers that I added onto the open layer of the box. As you can see, it's a bit lean because I pressed it down too much when I was gluing the papers down. So that will result when you press it down too much. All you have to do is be delicate. And I also cut off the edges of the papers so that it can be able to fold properly. So for the measurements for these, I will place those as well on screen. So I went ahead and add those papers off camera just to save time. So this is what it looks like afterwards. All you had to do is just pour your treat down lightly and it will just fill it up. So right here I'm just adding some diamond wraps onto the edges so that it can look neat. So I have a little bit of problem. I ran out of paper, so I had to work with what I had. So that pieces of paper, I only have one pieces of it and I ran out of it. So I had to make up for all the papers that I ran out of. I have to make up for it. So you guys will see a lot of different papers like white, green, and so on. So that is it, and these are the die cuts that I used. I used a flower die cut, leaves, and the next sediment die cut. So there you have it, all those leaves, 3 leaves, 3 flowers, sediment cut as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add these in place onto the gift box. I also glue them down off camera as well so that I can save some time. So guys, this is the finished product of the box. I will add a piece of foam tape on the top of the box where the open layer is so that it can be closed. I also will be adding Happy Father's Day or Happy Birthday. It depends on the occasion. This box can be for different occasions, so I didn't really add the sediment as yet onto it. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.